If you're using the Firefly Station M2 Geek Mini PC, you already know it's a powerhouse for its size. But even the best hardware can run into software bugs, like that annoying UVC Green Screen issue or boot loops. Today I'm going to show you how to refresh your device with the latest Android 11 stock firmware. We'll cover the standard TF card method and even dive into the advanced Maskrom mode for those of you who might have a bricked unit. Let's get that Station M2 running like new again. First things first, you need the right files. The latest build we're looking at is the July 10th release. It specifically fixes the UVC camera tint issues and adds a very useful auto-erase feature for the NOR flash. This is a game changer because it prevents the device from getting confused between two different bootloaders. You can find the download link in the description of this video. Make sure your device is the RK3566 model before you hit that download button. The easiest way to flash this is via a TF card. You'll need a PC and the Rockchip SD firmware tool. Use a card between 8 and 32 gigs. Trust me, larger cards often fail during the boot process. Once you've loaded the image onto the card using the Upgrade Firmware option, just pop it into your Station M2 and power it on. You'll see a progress bar. When it's done, remove the card. This is crucial, and the system will reboot into your fresh Android 11 setup. Now for the techies out there. What if your device doesn't boot at all? You might be stuck in Maskrom mode. Since the Station M2 has both eMMC and NOR flash, the system can sometimes try to flash the wrong storage. If that happens, you'll need the RK Dev tool. You have to manually switch the storage to eMMC in the Advanced tab before clicking Upgrade. It sounds complicated, but I've laid out the step-by-step instructions on the blog to help you through the process. One final word of caution, firmware flashing always carries a risk of bricking your device. So only do this if it's necessary and always back up your data first. If this guide helped you get your Station M2 back on track, let me know in the comments. And if you're stuck on a specific step, drop a comment below and the community will try to help out. Thanks for watching and happy tinkering.